The PIMoroni Cosmic Unicorn is a 32x32 RGB LED display board powered by the Raspberry Pi Pico W. 1024 lovely LEDs to drive from Python or C++. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, IoT, robotics and other fun tech. This is my 3-minute summary of my review of the PIMoroni Cosmic Unicorn. The Cosmic Unicorn is a display panel with 32x32 RGB LEDs, driven by FM6047 constant current drivers. The front of the unit also contains a light sensor to allow you to set the brightness. The display is driven by a Pico W. 8 switches plus reset allow for user input. Connectivity is provided by 2 quick or stemmer QT sockets. There's also a battery connection for power. It also can make sound via a speaker, if that's your thing. Unfortunately, the Unicorn does not have a connector for SWD or UART. Libraries are provided for C++ and MicroPython. These cover graphic primitives, text and fonts. The board ships with demo code on the unit, so you can instantly see how lovely all those LEDs are, or you can start writing your own. I really like the form factor of the Cosmic Unicorn. The connectivity is useful and I've already used it to connect AHT10 temperature sensors. I do miss having UART and SWD though. Let me know what you think of the Cosmic Unicorn. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video as it helps encourage me to make more videos, and please subscribe and hit that notification button to avoid missing the next video. Goodbye for now.